Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are discussing a very incredibly important topic: self-love. In a world that constantly demands so much from us, it's crucial to cultivate a deep sense of love and appreciation for ourselves. So let's explore how we can do that together. Okay, so first let's talk about what self-love really is. It's not about being self-centered or narcissistic. Self-love is about acknowledging your worth, treating yourself with kindness, and recognizing that you deserve the same respect and care that you offer to everybody else. Okay? It's that simple. One of the foundations of self-love is self-compassion. This means treating yourself with the same kindness and understanding that you would offer a friend. When you make a mistake or face a setback, instead of being overly critical, overthinking, try to be gentle with yourself. A simple practice is to place your hand over your heart and say, "It's okay, I am doing my best. I'm doing the best that I can with what I have." Setting healthy boundaries is another key aspect of self-love. It involves knowing your limits and communicating them clearly to others. This helps protect your energy and ensures that you're not overextending yourself. Remember, it's okay to say no to things that drain you, people, places, and yes to things that nourish you. You don't have to feel bad about saying no. Set your boundaries and stand on business. Stomp on business. Okay? Self-care is a vital part of self-love, making time for activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Whether it's taking a long bath, you know me, I love my baths, reading your favorite book, practicing yoga, or spending time in nature. Prioritize these moments. These moments are vital. They are not indulgent, but essential for your well-being. Affirmations and positive self-talk can significantly impact how you feel about yourself. So start each day with affirmations like, "I am worthy, I am enough, and I deserve love and happiness. I'm worthy of all my desires and I attract them effortlessly." Look in the mirror and say these affirmations out loud. Out loud. You can even write them on the mirror. Look in the mirror and say these affirmations out loud. You can even write your affirmations on the mirror and repeat them daily. It might feel awkward at first, but with time, it becomes a very powerful habit. Now listen. Surround yourself with people who uplift you and support you. Build a community that encourages your growth and makes you feel valued and needed. Let go of toxic relationships. I know it's hard, but you gotta let it go. Let it go to let it flow. Let those toxic relationships go that are bringing you down. Remember that you deserve to be surrounded by love and positivity, okay? Finally, embrace your imperfections. Like, nobody is perfect. Stop trying to be perfect. Understand that nobody is perfect, and that's what makes us human. Celebrate your own uniqueness and be proud of who you are, flaws and all. Self-love grows when we accept and love ourselves unconditionally. Thank you so much for joining me today. Cultivating self-love is a journey, and it is okay to take it one step at a time. Remember, you are worthy of love and care. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who might need to hear this message. Until next time, take care and love yourself.